in the Pacific Northwest. There are many interesting stories to tell, but perhaps the most fascinating of them all, the Great Migration of the 16-ounce. Carried by the tide, it eventually washes ashore. Though its stocky build makes it more noticeable than others, the Zips Cup is a master of camouflage. The oncoming predator, however, has seen through the clever disguise. The encounter is short-lived as the cup must continue its journey with the wind, searching aimlessly day and night until finally it arrives home.